Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, we're going to show you how we make our world famous Spam Musubi. Well, actually, maybe it's not world famous, but we're frying it up in our cast iron skillet in our tiny house, and we want to get it to this color, a little bit crispy. So here's our rice. Just made that nice and hot. Let's look back at our Spam, and it is perfect. So for this one, we're just going to add some salt, stuck, come out, just a couple pinches of salt. Normally, I like to use rice vinegar and mirin, but not in this time. Put some furikake in there, which is some nori rice topping. Stir it up. You need to add a little bit more, mainly for color and also for the taste. Okay, there's all our musubi. We're um, on our paper towel, and we're gonna pat it dry so get all the oil off of it. Looking good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the musubi or spam musubi sandwich. So I'm gonna form the rice balls about basically about that size. Golf ball, small golf ball. And I don't like to use the mold. The mold makes it easier, but it's not as fun. So I'm going to make 8 of these little rice balls, and it's gonna end up being making 4 spam musubi. So it's gonna be like a rice ball, spam, rice ball, all wrapped in nori. It's kind of hard doing this because I'm doing it around the tripod. Try to use all the rice possible. Try to make them as even as possible, but as you can see that a couple of them are a little bit bigger than the others. Get some water, wash my hands, get some water on my hands. And now we're gonna get our nori ready. So here's a sheet of nori, and we're gonna make it the size of the spam. So it's roughly at the 3rd line. I'm gonna cut it. I could have just used the 3rd line, but just we're gonna keep that other piece and we're gonna use it for other stuff. So you can see one side is more matte and this other side is shiny. The shiny side is going to be face down, and that's mainly for presentation. So there are all our musubi pieces, or our nori pieces. So we're going to take one of the rice balls. I need to get some water on my hand, dry it off, and push it down so it covers the nori roughly about the size of the spam. Doesn't have to be perfect because once you put the other one on and wrap it up, it'll come into a nice rectangle. There you go. Fold it over, roll it, and there's one. And you just pretty much rinse and repeat. Again, it doesn't matter anything for the taste, but it looks better with the shiny side down. So just get it close, put on the spam, and when you push the top rice ball down, you can form it better, and then keep adding water to your hand so the rice doesn't stick. There's 2. Don't want to waste any rice. Form the musubi. Add the spam. I You can do it with only one layer of rice, but this is more aesthetic thing. I used to make them bigger with just one big layer of rice and then put the spam on top, but this looks cooler, I think. And we're done. This is going to be our breakfast. Reaching over, going to get a plate. So we're doing all this in our tiny house. Plate it up. Got one extra piece. I always make one, at least one or two extra just to eat it. And there you go. There, take a look at that. Oh, had one rice sticking out. Well, there's our spam musubi. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and aloha.